Honestly, I became a beast. After I got certified and I knew how to go about defining scope, there's very few companies that will interview me about this area and will not say, yeah, we're going to hire him. So there's 6 things. Number 1, plan scope management. Plan how you're going to manage scope is number 1. Number 2 is collect the requirements. And there's a document that PMI call a requirements traceability matrix. They want you to fill one of those in so you track each requirement to their origin. This is not, well, I think I want this. No, this is like clear as day. This is what you said you want, and you said it. This is how we're going to test it. This is a use case for it. And then this is how we know that you've accepted it when we do the final testing. So it's very specific, and it's hard to say, well, I didn't know what you wanted when everything is very clearly written out. Then we do define scope. And define scope gives you a project scope statement. But what is a project scope statement? It's a document with inclusions and exclusions. You ever had the customer that said, well, I thought the project was going to do that, but no, it's limited to this. So except you spell it out, some customers, they just don't know. So PMI says you should define scope. And then we have WBS, it's talked about here as well. Create WBS, a work breakdown structure. For those at home that haven't seen it, a WBS looks like a family tree. It breaks the work down from the top all the way down to the bottom. We call them work packages, and it becomes very clear what needs to be done, broken down by hierarchy, usually deliverable oriented. Some people have no choice and they make it phase oriented, but it's not a timeline. It's just a deliverable oriented breakdown of the project.